Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Sarah. So today we have a baking recipe. We're going to make pineapple upside down cake. This is one of the simplest cakes you can ever make. Ingredients are also very simple. So let's get quickly started. I'm using store-bought cake today. This is a cake mix and I'm just going to be following the instructions on the back. And then next we have some maraschino cherries. I'm using these today, but you can just use only pineapple if you want. 1 can of pineapple slices. These are the rings, pineapple rings. And I have 1 cup of water. This is to make the cake as per the instructions. So I have 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil. You can use butter as well, melted butter. And then I have 3 eggs. These are what you're going to use to make the cake. And then I have some light brown sugar. This is just to dust the first layer in your cake pan. So it just depends on how thick you want. I'm just going to do a thin layer of the brown sugar. So that's it for the ingredients. Now let's get into making it. So I'm going to be beating up the 3 eggs first. I'm now adding in the half cup vegetable oil. This is the cake mix, and I'm going to add the wet ingredients. So the eggs and the vegetable oil and the 1 cup of water. I'm going to mix this on slow to medium speed. So I'm just using some butter to grease the bottom of the pan, a little bit on the sides as well. So I'm going to add in the light brown sugar now. Now I'm going to be arranging the pineapple slices. Cherries to decorate it in the center. So once the cake is done, it will look very pretty. Pouring the cake back now on top of this. I'm just going to give the pan a tap so it lets out the air bubbles and the cake batter becomes even. And I'm just going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes and then check in intervals to just see when the toothpick comes clean. So until then, and then your cake is done. So let's put it in the oven now.